Okay, the first attempt was not 100% successful. The reason being is we use a fuel pump to feed the oil, and it's feeding with the full pressure. I think the pressure is too much. I need to put a bypass valve here and control the pressure going inside the feed line. And the problem we face is the oil, it's coming to the compressor side and as well as onto the turbine side. I'll show you. Hold on. I can see. You can see that's oil too much. So it's giving too much white smoke. I need to control that one. Water circulation is okay, but I need to relocate this water line. It's slowly getting burned. I need to relocate it properly, and nothing else. The starting is okay, and we need to put some clamps here, take a boost line to get the boost reading, and that's all. We'll make a platform here to keep the oil and water. So we'll be doing this and continuing with that and taking another video. Thank you.